here is another equation in mode 6, and here we have to find the unknown y in this equation. Solution. Let's rewrite that. We have 5 plus y is equivalent to 2 in mode 6. Now here, we treat this as just a normal simple equation, that is 5 plus y equals 2. To solve for the unknown in that kind of simple equation, we leave the unknown here, then take all like terms to the other side. So that is, we have 5 is still going to be here, equals 2 is here originally, 5 is comes to this side, and this 5 is like having a plus sign, just like how we do our simple equation. When it crosses the equals to sign, it changes the sign to minus. So we have minus, since we are dealing with mode, so it has to be in a circle, 5. And we have 5 equals 2 minus 5 here gives us a negative 3. But we have to convert it to a number we can have in mode 6. And to do that, we express this as the sum of a multiple of 6 and a positive integer. And minus 3 here is the same as having minus 6 plus 3. And that means this is equivalent to 3, the remainder, in mode 6. So that is, therefore, y equals 3 in mode 6. And that's how to solve for the unknown in this type of equation. Thank you.